Oh, what's up,
Gary,
guys? Welcome back to another
Gary,
video.
you're in call chat.
Anyways, guys,
Anyways,
welcome
guys,
back to another
welcome back to
video.
another
We
video,
got,
and we got, as you
a
know, a
pumpkin.
pumpkin. I have a bag full of them, so it's actually my pumpkin, which I'm actually about to open.
Open it.
Open it.
Let's see what we can
Let's see
get,
what we
boy.
can get, boy.
Oh, you
So we
gotta
got
be
be
bro.
kidding me, bro.
Man.
Crowbar. But here's the thing. So that was a pumpkin. That was a pumpkin.
Sorry,
I like your names. Now, I will open a.
Oh. See what we get.
See what we get. Let's see what we get. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, can I open it? Can I open it? Can I open it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Revolver ammo. Oh, God. Alright, so today, guys, we're going to be duplicating sewers items in office. And, hey, bro, do you have at least collect, like, maybe, like, 3 items from sewers? And then, like, get, like, 3 eggs, and then we just have to get, like, 3 keys. But today, guys, if you want, we're gonna be duplicating
sewers
items today,
and just maybe next
video,
and
just maybe next video, we will be duplicating every bomb in Animal Company.
Ooh.
So stay tuned for that.
So I'm gonna go get the items. I'll be right back.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye. Here, let me see if the camera's working.
Yep, it is.
Yep, it is.
But guys,
Wow, he gets that.
I just want to thank you so much
for
for
getting
getting
700 subscribers, guys.
And I
cannot believe we did that.
But
if you made it this far into the video, which would be pretty easy,
and
you haven't skipped,
then
thank you for watching, and you were a true member.
And if you guys
want to be in the video with me, then join the code Gareth as my fan code, at least on Sundays only. But if you don't see me in there beside Sundays, then you are wrong, and I'm not in that code, and I'm not going to be in that code in that day. But if you really want to meet me, then go into my fan code Gareth, Gareth. You could read it for my YouTube channel name.
He got
the items! Hey. But yeah, at least on Sundays,
in the code Gareth.
as my fan code, because Sundays is like the only time I could get on.
Today's
Sunday, so
praise God.
but yeah, let's do this.
You got the items.
He got the items! Yay!
I got the items.
Yay!
So we're only gonna duplicate 2 items. Actually, no, we're only gonna duplicate 3 items.
Alright.
We're gonna pick which items that I do.
So what do you have? Let's see.
Oh.
Okay. I always wanted to duplicate a banana and a rubber ducky, and maybe a whoopee cushion, and the rest.
I
think me and you already know what happened with the other ones, but let's not spoil it.
And
don't worry about what happened. But so I carry the key cards, and you carry the eggs and all the stuff.
Okay, so we need 3 eggs.
Alright.
That's
That's off the list.
So put.
Alright, so that's 2, and we just need 1 more.
But yeah,
guys, the eggs actually fill up the machine too in the office.
Both
bars right away. So make sure to go get the chicken egg.
Alright.
Alright, so get your stuff in the bag.
Right there.
Right there.
We're gonna head
We're
off.
gonna head off to office. You stupid monkey.
Oh, and also, we didn't record it, but
Oh yeah, bro. You guys could also
duplicate
duplicate flashlights.
And
And let me just.
alright, guys.
Alright, guys, what's up?
Alright,
Alright,
we're back.
so we're back. Sorry about that.
Get in here.
Get in here.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that, guys. That was just a weird glitch. Alright, let's go, buddy. Yay! Now, I'm gonna go kill Sacklet. Ow! Alright, so we got one here. Sarah, I'm gonna kill you. Here, can I? Make a flashlight.
Here, let me flash.
Here, let me flashbang the fans. Ah, yeah.
I don't flashbang them.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
So we
got one key card. Alright. And then we have two key cards. Pocket tower key cards. And we need one more. And then we're gonna head down to the duplication mission. Bro, I feel like there's Apollo right now. I actually do, bro. Shout out to him. He doesn't even know. You did? Where?
Yeah, right here.
Wait, just Apollo sees this video. Oh, 11. Anyways,
Wait, you said hopefully who sees this video?
there's Toasty somehow, and just Apollo. And just
Dude.
Apollo.
Just Apollo, I watch him.
He
He duplicates a bunch of stuff, bro.
I know.
Mommy, where are we? Oh, let's press the button.
Meet our friend. You're gonna meet our friend. Jimmy, you're gonna meet him.
Jimmy Open it! Vacation machine! Alright, bro. Alright, bro, let's pour it in.
Okay.
Why isn't it working? Oh, there we go, guys. I fixed it.
Okay.
Alright, what should the first item be?
Jimmy Drop's
Jimmy Drop's coming!
He's coming.
He's coming!
I'm
Oh
gonna
my god, I got this. Watch how a man handles this. Hold on. It's gonna help. Never mind. Here, take this revolver. Alright guys, I'm back.
Alright, we're gonna duplicate.
We're gonna- The whoopee cushion. Do it. Throw it in there. Man, airball. Your hand's stuck in there. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, that's not good. Alright. So now we just need to get a key card. Getting it in, we're doing it! Oh my god! Guys, this is so crazy! Don't collect it yet, don't collect it yet.
Here, I'm gonna put all of them on the floor.
Yeah, nobody cares about this stuff right now. These whoopee cushions are pretty trash. They are trash. Get it?
Alright.
Okay.
What else?
Let's try the rubber ducky next. Let's save the best for last, the banana. I am so excited to do this, guys. Let's do it. Oh yeah, it's filled up. Alright, put the rubber ducky in.
Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah. Heavy. Alright. Oh, man, this is trash.
These deserve a spot down stick.
Man, this is dumb.
Alright.
Let's
Let's
try. We should do. Oh wait, the banana. We should do the banana. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Kobe. Oh, come on! I was excited for that.
We were gonna get Galaxy Banana.
Aw. I'm planning to have a picnic with bananas today.
Me too.
Well,
should we try
that again?
Should we try that again?
Bro?
Yeah, what else should we do?
I want to try the banana one more time.
But we don't have any more bananas.
Well, or we could just cut to back to the duplication machine after getting everything.
Oh yeah.
Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna see you back at the duplication machine. Alright guys, we're back here. And I'm gonna put the egg in. And we got the stuff. Oh my god, Jimmy! Jimmy, why? That was so manly. I get flashbangs. Alright guys, we're gonna... Wow! You killed me! But anyways guys, he killed me. He killed me like an idiot. But,
Alright, put the banana.
where's the key card?
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
Everyone ready?
Alright guys. Sorry about me dying. Because of somebody. Alright. Guys, I don't think it works. But hope you love this video. Hope you love this video. Hit it to this and thank you.